Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to be using the double equals to assert equality. Again, I'm using REPL.it in order to get all these projects together, and so today we're just going to be focused on this one. Equal compares objects using like the double equal signs. So use assert.equal or not equal to make the test pass. Okay, so what we want to do is we've got a REPL.it project running here. And we're going to click the first unit tests, and we have it running on REPL.it right now. But we have a problem right now. If we were to take our URL here and paste it into here, it would not pass the tests. And so what we need to do is make it pass. And so when we look over to here, we found all of our pass tests. Yeah, and so now we're looking for this guy. So right now, what we're trying to get to pass is this guy. So the unit test, the basic assertions we've already passed, and so now we're working on this one. And so assert here they have assert.fail, which is clearly a failing test, and so numbers are coursed into strings using double equals. Okay, so I think that 12 is equal to 12 if you only use the double equal sign. If you use the triple equal sign, that means that it's a case literal, which makes it not work. So that's hard to describe specifically, but basically JavaScript translates 12 into the string of 12 with double equals. So we're going to go with dot equal because we want this test to pass. So here value 1, and then they're passing the second parameter in as value 1. This looks to me like it should be equal, so let's just run that. So here they're saying 6 times the string of 2. Geez, I'm gonna have to say equal, I guess here. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Well, if we're doing equal, it should be the same way here. Now, one way that we could do this is come over to the terminal and press Control-C and stop it. And then we can type in node here, because node is the JavaScript library that needs to be run in order to test this. So we could do things like 6 plus 2, the string of 2. That gets us 62. So this, now we could say, okay, maybe this is not equal. And then 6 times the string of 2. So 6 times the string of 2. Oops. 6 times the string of 2. Cool, so that does equal 12. So maybe that works. I think that does work. Could we make an object? So now I'm testing this one. Is that equal? So value of 1, is this equal to a value of 1? Like an object is equal to an object? No, because the objects are going to be different. So yeah, we're actually going to want to write not equal here. Assert equal 12. Is 12 equal to 12? That is true. Okay, cool. So my guess is that we're going to pass these tests right now the way that we've changed it. So what we can do is we can just click this run button, or if you want to learn how to do it in real production apps, you press Control-C on your node terminal, and then what you want to go is npm start, and that's going to restart the server. And so we're going to go through a little process of starting here, and it looks like I'm just scrolling up to see the tests. Yeah, it looks like we've gotten we've completed these successfully, and so yeah, server return status code of 404. So let's see what happens if we refresh this page. Okay, so it's running now. So yeah, and so we take this, copy it, and paste it into the quality assurance. And say I've completed the challenge. So okay, cool. So we got it right. But the thing is, you're allowed to, run these tests and have them fail. That's totally fine. It's just you'll start looking. If you say we did equal here, which is incorrect, and we ran this, we restarted it and ran it, we're going to be failing the tests a little bit. And so the key to, if you're running into failing tests, did it pass? No, I might be just looking at old tests. Yeah, so now we're failing it here. So now if you're failing a test that you don't understand, you want to scroll down and try to find the specific place where it's going. So here they're saying assertion error. Type your error message if you want expected 62 to equal 12. 62 to equal 12. Yeah. So 6 plus the string of 2 is going to actually render out to 62, and this assert equal statement is saying that the first parameter and the second parameter are going to be equal. But because this one, and then you can see type your error message if you want. Type your error message if you want. So here, this assert.equal sign is causing it so that you're getting this 62 is not equal to 12. And then your error message is coming out as the third parameter of this assert.equal function. And so that's what you want to be looking at when you're doing this. So yeah, this was not equal, which is going to make it pass. And so yeah, that's the thing that you want to look at. So this one has test1_unit-test.js on line 14 or on line 15-14. So that's line 55. And so you can see in the error messages is the key. That's what you want to look for when you're trying to debug problems. But anyways, I changed this one back to not equal. And so this will pass again now that we're restarting the server. But we do need to wait for the server to restart. So once the server restarts, then this will pass again. Cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.